Hi, this is Miss Christine from the Vance Chavis Branch of Greensboro Public Library. Today we're doing a short feature called Stories and Spices. In different countries and cultures, you can often find similar spices. These similarities can help connect us across cultures. One such spice is cinnamon. Cinnamon is one of the oldest known spices used in many recipes in many parts of the world. Last week, a delicious recipe for arroz con leche, or rice pudding, was posted on our Facebook page. Arroz con leche is a popular dish in Mexico, and cinnamon or canela was a key ingredient. It was used as both a part of cooking the rice, and it was used as a garnish for the rice pudding once it was done. Cinnamon is used in many dishes this way. In fact, a story I recently enjoyed, With the Fire on High by Elizabeth Acevedo, opens with a recipe. It's for Imani's When Life Gives You Lemons, Make Lemon Verbena Tembleque. Cinnamon is used as a garnish for the finished dish. With the Fire on High is a story about teenager Imani Santiago, who embraces both her Puerto Rican and African American ancestry. She is a gifted cook, and her dishes are one way of celebrating both of her heritages. The story makes a compelling read. In fact, it won our Teen Book Bracket Challenge this summer. I encourage you to read this book if you haven't already, and maybe try some of the recipes she shares. And before I forget, if you enjoy With the Fire on High or any of the other titles by Elizabeth Acevedo, please plan to log on to Café con Libros on Zoom on Tuesday, October 13th at 7 p.m. That evening will be a celebration of Hispanic Heritage Month, honoring Latinx culture with the amazing works of Elizabeth Acevedo, who is an Afro-Dominican poet and author. Advanced registration is required, and the information appears later. So today, cinnamon was a connecting spice. The next time I do a Stories and Spices segment, I'll talk about the spice cumin and how many different cultures use it as a key ingredient in many popular dishes. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.